A very good afternoon to one and all. Today we are talking about in the computer graphics unit number 2, the interaction, the hardware interaction. In this topic, the we can talking about the physical devices, logical devices, event-driven input devices. Then we can talking about the double buffering for smooth animation, and we can talking about the programming event with a suitable graphical interfacing that we can talking about in this lecture. The interaction means what? We can interact our hardware devices into a user interface that we can talking about in this graphic interaction, hardware interaction. In that hardware interaction, the first that we can talking about the Sutherland, the project Sketchpad. The we can talking about the Sutherland established the basic interactive paradigm that characterize interactive computer graphics. That we can say the user see an object on the display. User pick the object from the input device like light pen, mouse, and trackball. Object can move from rotate, and we can have repeat the procedure. Means what? The first that we can say that the Ivan Sutherland is establish this device, interactive device, the hardware interactive device that user can see the object on the display. User can point out to the pick the object and display, and user can change the object on that display that we can have taking care into the. So the interactive devices is divided into two different parts: the selector and a locator. The locator or the select locator is used to find out the position, location of that particular object of that image that we have displayed on the computer screen. And the selector is used to select the object, pick the object, and use that location to set the object onto a display device. So here the graphical inputs are there. Devices can be described either by physical properties or by logical properties. Here we can have decide the physical properties devices like we can say the mouse, like a trackball and a keyboard. These are the physical properties where we can have used the physical devices to capture the image or to select the image or taking a location of that particular image by using these physical properties of the device. Then the logical properties. What is written to program via API, application program interface, what is written to us that we can have discussing in the logical properties. In the logical properties, we have said that a position and object identifier, a position and object identifier. In that logical properties, we have find out the position of an object and where the object is display on the screen and what its location or the position that we have find out in the logical properties. Now we are the having a modes how and when input is obtained, that we have the request or event in a particular device that we have taken care. So these are the physical devices called a mouse, a trackball, light pen, data tablet, joystick, and spaceball. All these have, we can say, a selector devices. What we have said is all called, we can say this all called the selector devices where we have to use the physical devices to select a particular object on the screen or the particular text or image on the particular device or display device. Like we know that starting from a mouse, you know the mouse, everyone knows mouse is there is a pointer on the screen. By using that pointer there is a two buttons left and right. We have select a particular object, a particular image onto the screen by using a mouse. Next one is a trackball. So trackball is having a two potentiometers by using in a trackball. So you have know the trackball. There is a certain ball, and when the ball is rotated, The cursor is moving from left, right, top, bottom. So the one joystick or one potentiometer in the trackball is pointing out the left and right object location, and the another potentiometer is used for tracking out the top and bottom location of a display device. Where the trackball is rotating, our cursor, our potentiometer is rotating likewise. Then the third one, we're talking about the light pane. In that light pane, what we have seen, the light pane is having a threshold detector is there. From that light pane, we have a select a object by pointing out, as we have discussing in the PDF, there is a pointer, a light pane is there. From that pane, we have highlighted text that is important. So that the light pane is we are using, which and having a light pane is having a what we have say the electrons are there. By using that electrons, we have to select laser beams are there. By using a laser beams, we have select that particular object on the display device. Then data tablet. Have heard this word, or tablet? In the tab, we have a pane called moving from left to right. That pane we have used to select an object on a display device. Then there is a joystick. Have you heard this word joysticks? Definitely. For playing a game, we have used this joystick. For playing a game, we have used this joystick. So, joystick is having a potentiometer which is operating from left, right, up, and bottom for moving an object, for selecting an object. That we have using a joystick. And there is a space ball. This space ball is also used to select an object. So these are all the physical devices where we have used these physical devices to select an object. Now the relative devices, incremental devices. Devices such as the data tablet return a position directly to the operating system. Data tablet. What we can give it from the data tablet? So the tablet is return a device position directly from the operating system. Like device such as mouse, trackball, joystick, return incremental input to the operating system. Incremental means what? In the mouse we can have the incremental from where we have select the object. In the trackball also we can have used the same procedure operating system likewise. So the most integrating this input to obtain an absolute position, we have a rotation on cylinder in a mouse, rolls of a trackball, and we can get the position from the two devices. Logical devices. Now consider there is a code of C and C++. In the C++, we can have input operation like cin, where we can take input from the keyboard, and in the C we can have a scanf where %d and %x, that where the address of that variable is stored the value, that address we can fetch it and we can store from the input device. So here we are using a keyboard to input a value of x. Okay, so we cannot tell a code, or we could in keyboard file output from the other program. The code provide logical input. This code is what? A logical input. A number integer is returned to a program regardless of the physical device. Like we can have interact our logical device into our physical device by considering this code called a C and C++ code, where C in greater than x sign, we can have take interaction into the keyboard. From the keyboard, we have input the value of x. Now the graphical logical devices. In the graphical input is more varied input than input to standard program, which is usually number, character, or bits. Graphical input. Okay, a graphical input is more varied than input to the standard program. So two older APIs, application program interface, define the 6 type of logical input. There is a locator, there is a pick, there is a keyboard, there is a stroke, there is a evaluator, and there is a choice. These are the 6 different types of logical inputs that we are discussing here. The locator is going to locate and returns the position of that particular object where which is object is selected. Pick. Pick is a logical input device where returns the ID of an object. Pick means what? What is the use of this pick device? Pick is where the object that we can locate, select whose object को pick. We have picked that object and get the return ID of an object. Keyboard is a return string of a character. Keyboard is return the character, a string of a character. Stroke, return array of a position, means where the object we have find it out, that object we have picked, that object we can stroke, means return the position of that particular object. And valuator is a floating point number where we have written the values calculation of that particular object. And the choice is return one of the n atom, what atom we have choice to select, that is we can have used. These are the logical devices where we have used in the program. Now the window input. We have discussing Windows input. In the Windows input, Windows system introduced a client server model for a network of workstation, client and graphics server. Client is OpenGL program and graphics bitmap display with a pointing device and a keyboard. So here it is, we can have a server and a client server operation system. So there is a printer which is shared in a server, graphical server, workstations from where we can have connect our devices, and client is used to operate that devices for giving a printout of hardware and interacting with the devices to a graphical user interface. Input mode. Input device contain a trigger which can be used to send a signal to the operating system, like button on a mouse and pressing or releasing the input mode. Trigger means what? At every input or every uh, input device that we have pressed it, the trigger is occurred. That trigger is what? So if we have pressing a button or we can press a button of mouse, something operation is there. We can release the mouse, a different operation is there. Then pressing or releasing a key. We have press or release a key by operating that releasing or pressing a key. In that releasing or pressing a key, if we have pushed the button like A, the A is display on the device and we can release the key, the action is have not performed. So that is, we can say, the triggered input device return information. A mouse return position information and keyboard returns ASCII code. When we have trigger means what? Button a mouse, click or button a mouse, or pressing a key, keyboard's key. So when the mouse, we can have press a button of mouse, the mouse is written the position information. And when we have pressed the button of our keyboard, it returns me the ASCII code. Every key is having their ASCII code, American Standard Code for information interchange. That code we have used. Now the request mode. Input provide to program only when user trigger the device, typically of keyboard input. Where we can have triggered any input device, it gives me the request and a measure of that program. Okay, can erase, edit, correct, so that we can offer in a triggered devices. Okay, so in the event mode, most systems have more than one input device, each of which can be triggered at an arbitrary times by a user. Okay, definitely. Every system means if I am having a computer system, in my computer system, there are so many devices that we have connected here, like mouse, like we can say the keyboard, like we can have a printer. So these are the graphical devices. So which can be triggered every, we can have click the mouse button, we can press the keyboard button, we can take a printout, so that an arbitrary times we can have use interaction with that devices. Okay, each trigger generate an event whose measure is put in an event queue which can be examined by the user program. Each trigger generates an event whose measure is put an event queue. क्या करता है वो? एक event queue generate करता है when we can have press or triggered a button. So look at here in the diagram. Trigger is processing, measure the process, event in queue, go to the program, wait for an event, and then we can have queue when the number is comes from that trigger, the operation is performing on that particular event. They are the event types. Which are they? Window, which is having the resize, expose, icon if, mouse, click one or more buttons, motion, move mouse, keyboard, press or release the key, idle, and define what should we have done if no other event is in a sequence. So these all are we are talking about in the interaction devices that we have talking about in the interaction devices. Thank you guys. Thank you.